Welcome to this quick look at a wonderful solar light solution. This thing comes to us with a couple of components, but despite its very rugged build and really high quality, doesn't require any skill at all electrically to install. And we'll look at what it takes to put this in here in a minute, but here's the hardware kit that comes with this. You're going to be able to handle just about any mounting solution you run into with this kit. You might have to supply some screws if you're going into wood, but you get two really good quality lights, a remote, which you don't need the remote for normal operation. Once this thing is installed and operational, it's going to come on at dusk and go off at dawn, or whatever hour interval you set. You can have it run for 3 hours or 5 hours or 8 hours and then shut off. But those are all options you can program with the remote. But look at this thing. It's beautiful. It's got a glass front, IP66. This unit is a 60-watt version. There are different versions available. And, it's gonna be durable outside. I mean, this is meant to live out in the wild. It's got an aluminum chassis. This isn't the cheap plastic lights that you might be used to seeing. And look at this connection here. The wiring on this is so dirt simple. No one needs to worry about connecting this because you cannot connect it wrong. It's really easy. The brackets are very robust. They're already attached to the lights. It is a great solution for getting some floodlights. And here's the solar panel, which has a rigid frame all the way around it, a nice aluminum frame bounding the cells. And it's going to provide the mounting solution for us. And we're going to take a look at how to get this bracket installed here and make this a really nice option for mounting on our installation location, which we're going to do at the end. We're going to get this all ready to go and show you what's up. So here's the backside. Here's the two wiring connections. And I'm going to connect one up here. But what I want to point out to you is the quality of this connection. This is a detail. You'll notice that little red O-ring right there. That is going to get you a weather-tight seal on this wire connection. So now that your wire is sealed and it's watertight on both ends, you don't have to worry about this wire connection. So you're not really doing any wiring. The whole unit comes pre-wired. Now you can see because the solar panel's facing down, it's not getting sunlight. The light came on, which it's working the way it's supposed to. Now these hex bolts feed right through the holes in the frame. They're a little snug going in, so don't worry about that. But the nice thing is that the frame is captive on the hex bolt. So it's going to hold that end of the fastener. And all you have to worry about is these wing nuts on the outside. So we're going to set this bracket and we're going to get ready to get this unit outside and see what it takes to install. Now I did measure the solar panel and it's about a foot wide on its narrowest side. So I needed to get creative and make a mounting base for this. For my chosen location. I wanted to mount this whole light on a fence post. So the first thing I needed to do is take a piece of scrap 2x4 and just cut a 1 foot section. It could have been a 1.5 feet. It could have been, any length really just to support the bracket. This is probably overkill for this application. But here we're going to take and mount that mounting block up on this fence post. And, this is just demonstrating how, redneck you can get with the mounting here. This is just throwing some big construction screws into the top of this post to mount that bracket. And then we're going to screw the bracket right down to the 2x4 that we just put on. And it's a really, really nice mounting solution for this solar panel. And that's about the right angle that we need. Next is mount the brackets for the lights, and this again, really, really straightforward. There's not a lot of rocket science here. You don't need to be a licensed electrician to install this kit. Number one, because it's all low voltage, and number two, the skill required is pretty basic. homeowner kind of stuff. So don't worry about this. And if you are worried about it, you can certainly hire an electrician to help you get this operational, but you don't need to. All of the hardware solutions are very well done and very well thought out. These brackets get mounted up really good. You can aim these lights. Now the connection, here we go. Here's the wirings. This simple. One connection done. Waterproof, weather tight connection. Here's the other connection. Bang. That one's done. And you can see the little LED lights are actually showing up on the light, giving the state of charge. That is a really nice touch on these lights. You don't need an app or anything. You can just walk up and see. And here they are on at night. And man, I'll tell you what, they definitely throw the light out. Here's the light off. Here's our remote. And my gosh, you know, these things throw some photons out there. Now, hey, check these out. It's a great value. It's a great build quality. If you want a really good solar solution, this is it. You all have a great week.